Movement 5. Point to the sky and the ground. Resume chi palms. Tap on the ground with the feet. Slowly turn the upper body, together with the chi palms 90 degrees to the left. Bend the left knee and raise the thigh slowly up to the waist level. Stretch out the calf slowly and put the left foot down on the ground. Reach out the left hand slowly with the index finger pointing to the sky and the palm facing yourself. Relax the right hand with the index finger pointing to the ground and the back of the hand facing yourself. Support the body with the left leg. Drag the right leg forward with tiptoes on the ground. Stretch the body upward as high as possible. Keep a smile on the face. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. This posture is called pointing to the sky and the ground. Count 10 seconds in the head. Lower the left hand and raise the right one. Turn the torso back to face the front and resume the chi palms. Tap on the ground with the feet. Slowly turn the upper body, together with the chi palm 90 degrees to the right. Bend the right knee and raise the thigh slowly to the waist level. Stretch out the calf slowly and put the right foot down on the ground. Reach out the right hand slowly with the index finger pointing to the sky and the palm facing yourself. Relax the left hand with the index finger pointing to the ground and the back of the hand facing yourself. Support the body with the right leg. Drag the left leg forward with tiptoes on the ground. Stretch the body upward as high as possible. Keep a smile on the face. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. This posture is called point to the sky and the ground. Count 10 seconds in head. Lower the right hand and raise the left one. Resume the chi palms and keep facing right. Movement 6. The Rising Sun. Press the palms together. Stretch both hands upwards. Bend the right leg and stretch the left leg forward. Extend the torso down. Try to keep the foremost and the furthest points of the body to a straight line. Eyes on the fingertips, then count 10 seconds in the head. Put both hands back round the waist. Rotate both wrists. Press the thumbs and index fingers together in the triangle shape. Move both hands upward, eyes on the triangles, and move the head up as triangle raise. Stretch the right leg towards and bend the left leg. Move the torso upward. Gaze through the triangles. Look to the sky. This posture is called the Rising Sun, and count 10 seconds in the head. Bring two arms close together to the eyes. Put them down slowly and close to the waist, with the palms facing up and the fingers facing forward. Rest both hands. Turn the torso to face to the front. Walk on the spot and make a 90-degree turn to the left with the upper body. Press the palms together. Stretch both hands upward. Bend the left leg and stretch the right leg forward. Extend torso down. Try to keep the foremost and the furthest points of the body a straight line. Eyes on the fingertips. Then count to 10. Put both hands back around the waist. Rotate both wrists. Press the thumb and the index fingers together in the triangle shape. Move both hands upward, eyes on the triangles, and move the heads up as triangle raise. Stretch the left leg forward and bend the right leg. Move the torso upward. Gaze through the triangles. Look to the sky and count to 10. Bring 2 arms close together. Put them down slowly, close to the waist, with the palms facing up and the fingers facing forward. Raise both hands. Turn the torso to face to the front.